to Shelly's Homemade, and today we're going to be making Snickers cake using a cake box mix. But I'm going to show you how to make it your own. So for this, you're going to need, of course, a chocolate cake box mix. We have some peanuts, chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, Snickers. Can't have Snickers cake without Snickers. We have a half a teaspoon of instant coffee mix, some vanilla, 3 eggs, 1 2/3 cup of water, and a half a cup of vegetable oil. You use vegetable or canola. Do not use avocado or olive oil or give the cake a terrible flavor. And whipped topping. Alright, and we're going to use an aluminum pan I have here that I've already sprayed and have ready, waiting on us. I have my bowl, and we're going to do everything in that pan. We're going to decorate that cake. Everything is going to be done in that pan. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let's get started. There we go. So our cake mix, we're going to put that in last. I like to have it, get it ready for myself. So we're going to pour our water, our oil, no rhyme or reason, no type of style, just put it in there. I like to take my spoon and just get all the oil there. Get it in there. Get my eggs and the 3 large eggs. The coffee and the vanilla. That was like a teaspoon. Now, let's just whisk this together. Like this. And you see them bubbles forming? That's what you want. So this put air in the cake and give you a light, fluffy cake. And remember, we added coffee and vanilla to this, so this just makes it your own cake. Now we're going to add the cake mix. Incorporate it. That whole bag in there. Just like this. Slowly whisk it. Keep going around the sides, pulling it down. That is beautiful. It smells wonderful too. That coffee that I added in this cake mix box is going to make an amazing flavor cake. It's going to bring out all that coffee. That coffee going to bring out all that chocolate. And we're using the whisk. You didn't have to use your mixer. You didn't have to pull it down. Using the whisk. Just like that. Like that. And pull this over. Pour it right all into our pan. We're going to get it into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes, guys. And you know it's going to be done when the sides pull away from the pan. Also, when you stick that toothpick or fork in there and come out clean. See, this is a liquidy cake, so it's going to take 45 minutes. Alright. Now, if you don't have like vegetable oil, canola oil, you can use some butter. So you can use some butter. Just melt down um, 1 stick of butter, and you're good to go. Alright guys, I'm going to get this into the oven. When we come back, I'll show you what to do next. So this cake took 37 minutes to bake in the oven. Look how springy it is. It's springing back at me. That means it's so moist. And remember, we added the coffee to it and some vanilla, which made it our own. And this cake is starting to pull away from the sides. You can see right here and here. So, we're going to let this cool completely. And when we come back, I'm going to show you what to do next. See, because we're going to smother this part right here. We're going to add some of the caramel and chocolate sauce all over it. Then we're going to slather it with our whipped topping, guys. Our whipped topping. And then we're going to add some more of that and some peanuts. Then we're going to add some Snickers. We're just going to arrange some Snickers all over it. We're going to have a good time doing this. It's going to be so much fun decorating this cake with you guys. So I'll be back when it cool off. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you this cake. Now that our cake has completely cooled, let's go poke some holes in. Just like this. It's just some. You can use a knife. You can use a fork. Just get some in there. Alright, just like that. So now, I'm going to take our chocolate syrup. I can get it open. Guess I should have had it open before I started the video. And you just, guess not. Okay, so just get that chocolate syrup on there. We poke the hole so to seep inside. Just like that. This is my version of a Snickers cake. So you do however you feel like it, however you want to do it. So you use my recipe, it's going to be so amazing, so good. You're going to get a crunch. And just sprinkle those peanuts all over this cake. Just like that. Don't worry about it. Just get you some on there so it can be with in every slice. You can get, now we're going to add our Cool Whip, or not, well, whip topping, but this is not Cool Whip. You can use Cool Whip, whip topping, whatever you choose. And remember, you need to refrigerate. So get this after you make it. Since I'm making this for somebody else, you don't need to, I'm not going to slice it. Look at it. We're going to use this whole tub, 16 ounces, 1 pound Cool Whip. Over. I might slice it anyway. Look at that. Put it in the corners, crevices. Amazing Snicker cake, guys. All that Cool Whip in there, or whip topping, or whatever. Oh, it's pretty just like that, huh? It's gonna come in without caramel sauce. Now Snickers. Boom. That's one come out. So I have the mini ones. You can use the fun size ones. You can use the whole bar. And just have fun with it. Just drop it on there. Drop this on there. Now I came up, my daughter, my oldest one, asked me for a Snicker cake. I was trying to figure out how I was going to do it. And was I going to make the batter from scratch like I normally do when I do a chocolate cake, or what I was going to do. Then I was talking to my mom on the phone. She was like, I don't understand why you're doing that. Just use a box mix because you're going to do a whole bunch of other stuff to it. I was like, I can turn the box cake into my recipe and just use what I normally use on my recipe. For my recipe in the box cake. And I did that. I just add some peanuts all around. Look at that. Peanuts, everything all through there. You can add some more Snickers if you like. Some more syrup on here if you like. You can take this knife and make some swirls. However you want to do it. And there, just like so. Alright, that is so beautiful. Look at that cake. It's amazing. You got your Snickers on there. You got the chocolate cake on the bottom. I'm telling you, I done something in this kitchen, boy. Look at this, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. See how easy it was to make this cake. Just use the cake box mix. Changed a little bit. I just added some stuff to that. And look, an amazing cake. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Thank you so much. My new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Everyone that's been here with me, I love you guys. Thank you so much. And as always guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.